may sagol na kami. May sagol eh.
Ang bayo, Viah.
Ito pa.
Kami mag-isara pa daya. Pila na lang isa mag-isara. Kasi yung mga cellphone, mga balik yun, oh. Kaya lagi yung 1.5 dito. Pila yung palit? 1.5. Pila yung gig? So, 56 yung magsabihan niya, pagbilisan niya. So, 56 50 next? Oo. Ito, ginawa.
Ang anak daw gina?
Dili ka, di ba to?
Oo.
Unsa na yung Phoenix pa? Ha? Yung Phoenix? Yung Phoenix niya na smart yan? Yung ginahan na yung Phoenix sa drama. Palit raw cellphone yung buwan. Bakit na lang, March? Kung tayo padanin yung drama eh. Sige lang. Cellphone ba ito magwan? Pinag-convert pa lagi siya. March pa niya mapadala. Father. Sa March pa lang okay mo kung may camera. May ganun pa. Pabotol na ito na ako. Ano ba, tigaran? Bukat na ito ulit. Sayang yung tulog ko. May kamera niya ng cellphone. Huwag na po yung flashlight. Elsa takadali siya. Awag motor tingan eh.
Look, di. Ha? Mukhang anak ko pa ko itong kabisikan ko tang.
Di na nakalupad. Oh. Di na nakalupad.
Sugot ang pagkakot siya.
Sagot na lang. Ha? Iya, sagot
Sabi
na
ang
lang.
siya.
Yan, siya yung kita agad?
Ikaw, sugot na ikaw. Mama anak.
Oo na eh.
Maraming mga anak. Sabi mo mga anak. Si Madera nga. Sagol naman yung mga anak. Hindi kita ganon.
Oo, ayun ka lang.
Kaya mga ito siya. Kung sagol lang ako. Sagol lang ako. Sigirap sila yung kanyang anak.
Okay, sabi ko na sila kasi sa bata. Kaya sa lima na rin.
Guys!
Eh,
Sila guys!
wala ko karabisan sa... Biya, pangit. Alit ito, Biya, alit ito. Uy, nagpyo kay Saka. Very good, uy. Very good man ang Biya, uy. Sarap mo pagkaroto. Patuwa natin sa mga mga. Lagi.
Eh, wala man daw siya ka. Madon ng display na ka.
Oo, kay mahal mo kayo na. At sa daron, malamas kayo. Ano sila mong patok kayo?
Magkaroon sila ng pagpapurok. Magkaroon sila ng harapin. Hindi sila magpapurok.
Yeah, ito ginagawa karagyo.
kay si Viah na diri ako punti kay ning balay. Dagan di pula anak mo. It's okay lang na to. It's okay. Wow! The Ducky, where's the Ducky? Ducky, where Ducky, eh? What color is that? Sini lang. Ito tower na. Nice tower.
Wala, Joy at Sal nila. Sit siya na lang. Uy, naamday kay viewers na. At pa ba nga po na yung viewers na? Kinahilo, guys. Napit ka na ka na. Hello. I have this puzzle. What's this? It's a Lego. Oh, what fake Lego? I bought it in the store. I don't know if it's real or fake. English or Spanish, kid? Kid, are you English or Spanish? You speak to the viewer.
Speaker. You're China. Chinese.
Viewers ka na. Nakikuan, nagagawas. Nagagawas.
Saan kayo, Joe?
Tayo.
Tayo, bakit sa mga...
Fake na ng Lego ni Manak. So how about this one? How about this one? What is this? I don't know what is this. Do 2025 trend or what's that? I can't read. Can I ask why are you placing banana on the floor? Oh, we don't have banana on the floor. Ay, okay. So, the banana. You're asking the banana this one?
Banana in the color.
We have a lot of banana here in our place. You want some? So what do you want? I don't know how to speak Spanish. Ay, nako di. Talabad. Talabad aning kinabuhi. Yeah, no? There is a lot of banana here in the Philippines.
Banana is a lot of the Philippines.
Hey! Taga-asa ka! Ayaw ko glabda ha. Dili ba ako mag-English? Basing karon. No, hindi. Sorry. I try to be patient. Patient. Yes, please. So, ang laka di, for food safety daw. Sa magkaganon ko yung pati banana.
Lama na sa'yo palit. Okay. I'm sorry, guys.
I'm sorry for food safety, but there's a, you know, the peel.
Sorry.
You gotta place the banana on the table. Okay.
Dami isa na yung butang.
Here is the banana, guys. Yes, I'm sorry, and thank you so much for the commenter. Because because we cook the banana like this and we open this. It's a banana. It's yummy.
No!
Well, banana.
It's a boiled banana. Oh my God, Nak, you hold that. Who is Moana? I don't know Moana. I'm Dora, you know?
Dora the Explorer.
I have Butch over there cooking for me because I'm Dora, you know? Okay, kayo. Hey, from where are you? You want banana? You come here.
I'll give you a free.
Yeah, Leonard, you come here. I will give you a lot of banana. A lot banana. Don't step the Lego na. Huwag mo daw apakan. Nakakasakit na yun sa paa. Hmm. Ay, ang take na baby. Hmm. Oh, yes. Atay, brush your teeth daw. Kinayaya yung teeth. Oh, wait lang. The baby is brushing the teeth because she eat a banana. Huh? Oh my God. Lagi dapat takay utang ang banana na. Kamu gunak utang mo lima sa akuan. Bangko, nakita noon. Yes. Look, the baby is. Oh yes. The daddy is cooking a chicken. Ay! Ano saman? Banana? Water? Cooking some chicken breast? Yeah. Oh, not chicken breast, it's wings. Haman.
No.
Me in the Philippines, yummy, yummy. Yeah, thank you. Romel Leonard, taga Pilipinas ka po. Taga Pilipinas ra ka? How? Are you from the Philippines? You eat a lot of banana here. In the Philippines, we have a lot of banana. Ganon.
Mama!
Yes, yes, baby. Oh, Cebu. I love Cebu. Cebu is the biggest city in the Philippines. Char, maybe not. But a lot of tourists in the Cebu. What? This one? Water sa? Okay, we don't have water there. Slowly. Ay, bitoy ka. I'm a office worker.
Ano dapat na?
Bihar ka dali. Over there dito CR. Dito luwa o dito. Isog ka. Here lang to, here. Dali, here ka. Bigyan na ni mama ba eh? What country is that? I don't know what country is the red circle. China? Oh, Japan. My mama went to Japan next to South Korea. Ano ko ba? Ana siya de. I dare you slap your husband. Patay, sagpaon ba ka di?
You're ugly bitch.
Na China, Japan. Japan? Am I correct? Okay, Japan. Japan and South Korea? Am I correct? I don't know the flag. Hey, are you a Filipino? My mama is from Kamote
Rider.
Kamote rider? Are you riding the kamote? Oh, you have a lot of kamote in your place? Not mine. Yay, brush teeth. Yay. You're very good to baby. Oy. I used to be speaking the Philippine language, but I actually live in USA. Oh, okay. So you understand Filipino or like Bisaya? Brush teeth. Yay! Hello! Camotes Island? Where is that? Look in Google Map. It's near Danau. Yes, we also have a lots of kamote. Ah, okay. Camotes Island. That's good. Kamote is very yummy.
Yummy. Bahok ka.
Like banana.
Kamote, makabahok ito.
Yeah, ang kamote daw makabahog utot. I'm in Cebu now. So you speak Bisaya? Well, I don't know Visaya's language, but I know main language of it. Okay. So alam mo kung ano ang Filipino na language. Kumusta ka? Welcome. Sa ganit Tagalog sa welcome.
Filipino is bating na mong.
Do you love being here in the Philippines? San Goku? Wow, yummy. Nagustuhan mo ba dito sa Pilipinas?
Huwag kang magkagusto sa Pilipinas kasi hindi yan naglalab sa Pilipinas.
Ah, so you're in USA, right? Right now?
Right now, right away.
Konnichiwa. Oh. Philippines is nice. The place are nice and some people are nice. It's not all Filipino are nice.
Filipino are very, very buaya.
There's a lot of crocodile here in the Philippines. And our crocodile is walking.
Nasa Senado ang mga crocodile, re.
You know what is crocodile Sengoku?
San Goku, grabe San Goku.
Sangoku.
Kilala mo ba si Virus?
I'm a legend Thanos daw. Oh!
Si Virus.
Thanos? But there are many observations from the Philippines. First, an arranged parkings from the streets. Yeah. An arranged parking from the streets. Yeah. It's make the road more crowded.
Philippines is very, very.
Hello, Putra Midan. Hi. Welcome to my live.
Beautiful country. Beautiful lugar. Philippines is a very incredible. No. Philippines is very humble. Oh. Oh no.
Yeah, wait lang. Yeah, there's a lot of beggar in the streets and there's a lot of motorcycles.
Motorcycle.
Doesn't have a license.
You're correct. Dito lang yan sa Pilipinas.
Here in the Philippines. Secondly, the pedestrian lane. Yeah, we didn't use the pedestrian lane as what is it mean? The pedestrian lane.
Pedestrian lane in the Philippines is finishing line.
It's like a finishing line. the cars will move faster to the pedestrian lane if they see the pedestrian lane. Like that. The cars wouldn't even follow the pedestrian. Yeah, that's why here in the Philippines the cars doesn't follow the pedestrian lane. Even the people. Yeah, the people crossing the streets, they're running.
Kaya mga tao dito, naging disgrasya.
Come on.
Niyayay ang kamot. Niyayay ng kamot ni Bibi. Thank you so much, Rumel Leonor. Salamat sa iyong pag-subscribe sa akin. Salamat sa pag-subscribe mo sa aking channel. Sana magustuhan mo dito sa aking channel. Kung ano man ang gusto mong makita dito sa aking channel, ay i-comment mo lang.
You like banana?
You like banana? You come here. I'm from Agusan del Sur, Caraga. You know Caraga?
Caraga
You come here. Caraga is known as a
big crocodile. Lolo,
Ah?
the biggest crocodile in the Philippines.
Sa?
Patay na
Taranga
dong.
is the well-known of drug dealer.
Tama di. You know. Oh, I love USA. I want to go USA. Can you help me? Can you help me get a visa? For free? Ay, oh my gosh. My nose is bleeding talking English here in front of you guys. I don't know how to speak English. Like that.
Sige, ko na, bata din kayo.
Nak, dali, let's go na, nak. Dali, be.
Slide pa niya.
Finish na, ta. Let's go na. Okay, mag-eat na daw tayo ng si Papa. Okay, let's do. Bubbles. Oh, bubbles. Oh. Thank you so much for subscribing. Yes. Huh? What's man? Oh. Music. Oh, dali mag-music ka dali kay mag-change address nimo.
Mama, push.
Play music sa. I'm gonna go, guys. I'm gonna turn it off because we're gonna eat. Kakain na kami. Thank you so much for watching my live. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ha?
Basta sa YouTube ka mag-nag-videos.